The price of gas continues to rise. What's Uber doing about it? Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And it looks like Uber is trying to help drivers when it comes to the pump. They recently had a partnership that they announced back in August with GetUpside, which is the gas app that many people have been talking about. And they are now expanding that partnership even further that they announced today, which is really good to see because it's going to provide in-app savings. So GetUpside and Uber are going to combine on the Uber platform for drivers. So it's going to be really nice. And not only that, but Uber is also rolling out a brand new feature that drivers have been actually asking for. And it's a long time coming. And the in-app feature is pausing requests. So you'll be able to take a break when you need to. So we're going to be talking about what the new in-app feature of pausing requests is, as well as this whole new in-app experience when it comes to drivers for GetUpside and Uber. All right, so first, let's talk about this new in-app feature that Uber is beginning to roll out, and that is pause incoming requests. Now, what it says on the blog is, while Uber gives you the flexibility to stop and start work whenever you want, one of the biggest challenges drivers face is being able to refuel, regroup, and find a bathroom when they choose to stop for a rest. That's why they're rolling out a new feature in-app that allows drivers to pause incoming trip requests, find a bathroom, and save on gas through GetUpside. This feature will also roll out to delivery people in the coming weeks. So now with the tap of a button in the Uber app, drivers can pause trip requests and navigate nearby gas stations where they can save 25 cents per gallon through cashback from GetUpside. Not only that, but the new feature will also help drivers find public restrooms, which is powered through GasBuddy. So the nice thing is this is all going to be in-app. So you pause your requests that are going to come in, and it will pop up a screen and let you know what you want to do, whether that's find a bathroom, go to the gas station, whatever it might be. Go there. It'll actually take you through on GPS. You'll get there, and then you can resume when you're ready to start taking trips. I hope this feature is building in the ability to continue promotions like streak bonuses. Although I haven't seen anything, I'm not sure because this is just starting to roll out. So any driver who does have this feature, let us know in the comments, when you pause, will this have any effect on your streak bonuses? Because that's a huge thing. If you can pause and go do what you need to do, like fill up or go to the bathroom, and then get back to your streak bonus without having to restart because you went offline. And it truly could become game-changing in the event that they do allow that to happen. When you go pause, do what you got to do, come back, and you're still in the middle of your streak bonus. All right, so now let's switch it up a little bit and talk about what the expanded partnership between GetUpside and Uber actually is. First off, if you don't know about GetUpside, it's a great app where you can save money at the pump, you can save money at grocery stores, and you can save money at restaurants. And their whole mission is to help communities thrive. So their technology helped tens of millions of people earn 2 to 3 times more cash back than any other product, and tens of thousands of brick and mortar businesses earn measurable profit. So billions of dollars in commerce runs through GetUpside platform every year, and that value goes directly back to the retailers, the consumers they serve, and towards important sustainability initiatives. And trust me, it's really nice saving money at the pump, especially when it continues to go up. So in regards to the Uber and GetUpside partnership, well, since August, drivers have been able to download the GetUpside app and gain access to exclusive Uber-only bonuses at the pump and convenience stores. So now Uber drivers can pause incoming requests in the Uber app, get routed to the right station in the GetUpside network for up to 25 cents per gallon cash back on fuel. Half of iOS app users will have access to these in-app fuel promotions today as the feature rolls out to all drivers through the end of the year. Convenience store promotions are also coming next year. Now, many people will have this feature starting today, but if you don't, again, it will be rolling out throughout the rest of the year. Now, unfortunately, New Jersey and Wisconsin, it will not be available in due to regulations there. And they're also working on New York City because of certain regulations. So hopefully they will be able to figure something out and get that in those markets, but don't expect that anytime soon. Now, when I say pause incoming trip requests, this is just for rideshare. It will roll out to delivery people for the platform in the coming weeks. Now, if you haven't downloaded the Get Upside app yet, make sure you do and use the link in the description below. Not only that, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that this is going to be a good partnership? Do you like that it's going to be all in app and also the pausing features so you can pause requests without actually going offline and use their in-app features to be able to navigate to certain areas, especially if you're in an area that you're not familiar with because maybe a ride took you there? What's your thoughts? Comment below, let us know. All right, everyone, drive safe.